So some people had a little trouble assembling this little gingerbread house, and I wanted to talk about a couple of things. When the pieces come, they look like this, and so they have little tabs on them that stick out, and it's printed so it might have a little bit of edges in places, particularly like these little tabs here fit through these little spots, and so these may need to be trimmed. The edges of these may need to be trimmed a little bit for this to fit in here good. Okay, second part I want to note is that all the little detail goes on the outside except the chimney. The chimney goes on the inside. So when you assemble these, see the chimney's on the inside, and these clip together like this, and the front one like this. See, it's got the details all on the outside except the chimney's facing in. And notice that this roof has an extra hole compared to this roof. Oops, dropped my roof. And it slides on like that. And the other side slides on over the chimney and into a little slot like that. So it all fits together. And of course, I'd advise painting it before assembly, or you can paint it after assembly. But that's the little gingerbread house.